If you saw our recent short about the laundry pile, you already know. This isn't about clutter, it's about capacity. Because Casey Davis, author of How to Keep House While Drowning, says something most self-help books won't. Mess is not a moral failure. It's just what happens when your energy runs out before your expectations do. This video? It's for the moment you realize your messy kitchen isn't the problem. It's the shame spiral that comes with it. We've been told that a tidy house equals a tidy mind. But that equation ignores reality. Chronic illness, working overtime, grief, kids, burnout. Life happens. Your space doesn't reflect your character, it reflects your bandwidth. So, KC's radical idea? Care tasks are morally neutral. Your laundry pile doesn't mean you're lazy, it just means, well, you have laundry. And if your dishes are stacked high, that's not a character flaw, that's just Tuesday. So what do you do when everything feels like, just too much? Casey's answer is beautifully boring. The 5 things rule. When you're overwhelmed, forget about the deep clean. Just focus on 5 care tasks. Dishes, trash, laundry, food, and surfaces. Not all at once, not every day. Even one counts. Because when your brain's in meltdown mode, clarity really does beat control. That's why we made a twist on Casey's checklist. We call it the Morally Neutral Reset List exercise. Here's how it works. Pick one doable task from each category each week, 5 total, then make it visible. We recommend this magnetic weekly planner from Amazon. So why this one? Well, because it makes the invisible visible. It turns your 5 tiny tasks into a visual ritual that lives right where your life happens. The layout invites you to treat your week like a support system. And the wipe clean surface? It resets without residue, just like you. This isn't a chore chart, it's a reset button. You can spread your 5 things across the week, or, don't. Just having them visible really does change everything. Now let's talk about Brianna. She's a full-time PhD student, she has ADHD, and she works retail shifts on weekends. Most days honestly feels like a blur. Cereal bowls in the bathroom, laundry on the floor, 22 unread texts, and 0 motivation. She wasn't lazy, she was drowning. Then she read that Casey Davis line, care tasks are morally neutral. And it clicked. Maybe her mess wasn't a personality flaw. Maybe it was just capacity mismatch. So she grabbed her dry erase marker and wrote her morally neutral reset list on the planner and placed it on her fridge. Monday, wash breakfast dishes. Tuesday, throw bathroom trash. Wednesday, 1 load of laundry. Thursday, wipe kitchen counter. Friday, heat up leftovers. She didn't cross off every box. She ended up skipping Thursday and Friday. But she stopped spiraling, and that was enough. Casey isn't giving you a new standard. She's giving you permission. The real question isn't, how clean is my house? It's, does this space support my life? This isn't a Marie Kondo makeover, it's a mindset reset. It's teaching us to de-shame, to stop treating mess like a diagnosis, and to start treating care like a kindness. Because maybe the dishes aren't done, but you fed yourself today. Maybe the floor isn't clear, but your brain finally is. If your space looks like a cry for help, maybe that's because it is. Not in a dramatic way, in a human way. So read the book, pick 5 things every week, then write them down on the planner, not to win, just to breathe. If your sink's a little full and your brain even fuller, like this video and subscribe to the Happy Vault. The links in the video description take you to the book and tools that actually get it. One shifts your mindset, the other puts it on your fridge. Because life management shouldn't feel like a punishment. You don't need a cleaner house, you need a kinder system. And the 5 things? That's not your chore list, that's your comeback plan. Thanks for watching.